Hello and welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Amazon Prime Video account. I will walk you through in the process step by step. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to not make mistake in the process. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there search for primevideo.com and press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will land it to its official website and from there tap on sign in button at the top right. Now if you already have Amazon account, then you can type in your email address and password and then tap on sign in button to get logged in to Prime Video account. Now if you don't have Amazon account, then you can simply tap on create your Amazon account button. Now in here you need to fill all the details for creating an account. Now firstly type in your full name, then your email address, and after that create a password for Amazon account. Now once you're done with filling all the details for creating your account, tap on create your Amazon account button. After that you need to solve puzzle. Tap on solve puzzle button. Now once you solve that puzzle, you will receive an email to that email address you have typed in. Now once you receive an email, type in that code here and then tap on verify button. And once you type in your verification code and your account will be created. Now to watch movies and TV shows, you have to buy subscription. And that was the process to create Amazon Prime Video account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.